Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you always get notified. So today's video is going to be another review video, and this is going to be another Smitten haul and review video because I have already uploaded the part 1 of Smitten haul, and if you haven't watched that video, I will put in the iCard somewhere here. That's a part 1. So this is going to be a part 2 of the Smitten haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, I'm so sorry because म चाहिँ यो साइडमा हेर्दैछु because I shoot my video in the front camera मा shoot गर्छु, त्यही भएर चाहिँ म चाहिँ स्पेसिफिकली यो साइड हेर्छु किनभने चाहिँ म आफुलाई हेर्दै बोल्छु नि त, that's why म चाहिँ यो साइड हेर्छु. खासमा चाहिँ म यो साइडमा हेर्नुपर्ने, but then बानी भएछ यसरी नै अर्कै जग्गा हेरेको जस्तो देख्छ है. I have got pretty much a lot of things in here. त्यो स्याम्पल प्रडक्ट्सहरू हुन्छ नि, त्यस्तो प्रडक्ट्सहरू छ यहाँ भित्र चाहिँ. एन्ड बेसिकली आज चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई 1 by 1 स्याम्पल प्रडक्ट्सहरू देखाउँदै जान्छु कि मैले चाहिँ के किनेको छु. So guys, I have got a lot of products in here. यहाँ भित्र देख्नुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ यो सबै प्रडक्ट्सहरू स्मिटन एपबाट हो. एन्ड मैले चाहिँ यो प्रडक्ट्सहरू कति चाहिँ चलाउँदैछु, कति चाहिँ चलाएको छुइनँ. कतिजनालाई त्यो प्रडक्ट्सहरू मन परेको हुनसक्छ है, कतिजनालाई त्यो प्रडक्ट्सहरू मन नपरेको हुनसक्छ. सो इट्स टोटली डिपेन्ड अपन यु है. इट्स जस्ट माई पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू है. म चाहिँ मेरो अनुसारले चाहिँ आइ एम रिभ्युङ दिस प्रडक्ट्स. सो लेट्स रिभ्यू द प्रडक्ट है त. सो म चाहिँ 1 by 1 प्रडक्ट्सहरू देखाउँछु. एन्ड म जुन प्रडक्टहरू देखाउँछु फेरि पनि म यो साइडमै राखिदिन्छु. फर्स्टको भिडियोमा पनि मैले त्यसरी नै देखाएको छु, एन्ड यो भिडियोमा पनि मैले कुन प्रडक्टहरू आइ एम सोइङ इट टु यु. आइ एम गोइङ टु पोस्ट इट समवेयर हियर, समवेयर इन दिस साइड है. सो द फर्स्ट प्रडक्ट इज दिस वान, इफ यु क्यान सी इट. This is from the brand called Sage Apothecary. This is actually a 3-in-1 mud mask. It contains activated charcoal and tea tree. So I will show you how it is inside. So it looks like this. It's my sense particles soil. It works as a scrub. It smells so minty on you. It has got a cooling effect because whenever you use this after washing it off, you will feel more fresh. Okay, so the price for this particular product is 233 rupees, but you will get it under the points that you get in the Smitten app itself. Okay, so you just need to go and choose. I will put all the products details and product links in the description below. Okay, so another product, this is the lemon body wash, and it has got lemon in it. अनि समर्सहरुमा चाहिँ रिफ्रेशिङ अलिक लेमनहरु भएको प्रडक्ट्सहरु मन पर्छ नि त मलाई चाहिँ. लाइक मिन्टी अलिक लेमन खालकेहरु चाहिँ समरमा अलिकति फ्रेश भएको जस्तो हुन्छ है. सो आई अर्डर दिस, अनि मलाई मन पर्यो भने चाहिँ आई डेफिनेटली गोइङ टु अर्डर बिग साइजमा. The price of this product is 104 rupees, but if you get it from the Smitten app, you will get it just in maybe just 1 point or something like that. Another product is this one. This one is also the shower gel, and this is from the brand called Biotic. I hope you are quite familiar to this brand, eh? And it's got a skincare line, and they are really good on affordable price line, and I loved it really. And it has got a bio apricot, and यसको चाहिँ smell fruity flavor भएको अलिकति, but then एकदम mild soft छ यसको चाहिँ, and then I really loved it, and I will be going to use both of it. अनि कुन चाहिँ राम्रो हुन्छ, and I will be ordering. So the next product is, this is from the brand Sheer Secrets, and it's a natural toning mist. So it is like a rose water. I will show you how it looks like. Okay, it's same like a rose water. I really like to enjoy mist in the summer. Okay, summer ma chiso bhaera skin ma chiso huncha ni ta, so I really loved it. And यसको चाहिँ strong fragrance एउटा पनि छैन. It's simply like a rose water. The price of this product is 195 rupees, but तपाईहरुले चाहिँ Smitten app मा चाहिँ you can get it I don't know, maybe 2 points or 1 point. I don't really remember किनकि मैले पहिला नै अर्डर गरेको, so I don't really remember. So another product that I'm going to tell you is this one. This is the Mamaearth Upton face mask, if you know, because many of you may be familiar to this brand and also this mask, and this is really good mask. I have used it earlier, पहिला पनि युज गरेको थिएँ मैले, and अहिले पनि युज गर्दाखेरि एकदमै राम्रो छ यो मास्क। यो पनि त्यस्तै तपाईहरुले जब फेशियलहरु गर्नुहुन्छ है, फेशियलहरु गर्नु हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ लास्टमा जुन चाहिँ मास्क लगाउँछ, you can use this one त्यति बेला है, and this is just for 99 rupees and you can get it under 1 point Smitten app ma. If you haven't used this product भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ it something looks like this inside है, it's like a cream basically but thick and it smells okay, not that strong or what. It contains saffron, turmeric, apricot oil, sabai ramrai kuraharu ingredients haru cha, which is really good for your skin. You can get this one. This is the trial package. Your trial package first magaउनुहोस्, and तपाईलाई मन पर्यो भने you can go for the bigger sizes. And then another product is the oils, you guys. You can see it. This is actually the onion oil, but it comes with rosemary and tea tree oil. यसमा चाहिँ तीनटा mixture छ, onion, rosemary and tea tree oil. It is really good for your hair, and I don't really do anything to my hair. के म चाहिँ केही नि गर्दिन कपाललाई, के त्यस्तो खतरा मेरो हेयरको रुटिन चाहिँ छैन है. I just massage my hair with oil sometime. Like once in a week चाहिँ म massage गर्छु. So it looks like this, and this is also from the brand Sage Apothecary, and the price for this particular product is 190 rupees. But if you buy it from the Smitten app, यो चाहिँ दुईटै एकैचोटी पाउँछ, लाइक हुन्छ नि दुईटा, you can get it for maybe 1 or 2 points, or you can just go for the gift को section मा गएर तपाईले यो गिफ्ट पनि पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. मैले चाहिँ यो गिफ्टै पाएको थिएँ मैले एकपल्ट अर्डर गर्दाखेरि है. Another product is this one. This is the VLCC charcoal peel off mask, and I really regret buying it because मैले चाहिँ यो लाएर चाहिँ I got rashes on my face. त्यो स्मेलले पुरा मेरो स्किनमा एकदमै इरिटेसन भयो है. It's like completely black inside and oh my god, यसको स्मेल चाहिँ एकदमै मन परेन मलाई, and मेरो स्किनमा चाहिँ एकदमै सुट गरेन है. So I don't really recommend you to buy it. But then if you are someone who सोचेना यो पार्टमा चाहिँ पुरा नै बेसी पुरा पोर्सहरु हुन्छ अनि पुरा यो हुन्छ नि ब्ल्याक हेड्स व्हाइट हेड्सहरु छ भने चाहिँ it helps to peel it off. तर I recommend do not use it really, because त्यो चाहिँ exfoliate गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you can just use your normal face wash or cleanser. त्यो डेली गर्दाखेरि मजाले यो टाइपले मसाज गर्यो भने पनि अलिकति कम्ती हुन्छ, बट यो निकाल्यो भने चाहिँ अझै पोर्स ठुलो भएको जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ. So I recommend do not buy it really. But the price of this particular product is just 55 rupees, and I think I got it for 1 point. So another product is this plum chamomile and white tea face scrub. पहिलाको भिडियोमा चाहिँ मैले सनस्क्रिन किनेको थिएँ, and यो चाहिँ face scrub रहेछ है, and it is really good. I have used this for 1 to 2 times अनि it is like this inside, eh? You can see it. Tiny particles पनि छ. It helps to exfoliate. This is really good. Plum ko त्यो sunscreen पनि, that was also good, and you scrub पनि, this is quite good. अनि so cute packaging है, as I've already said, camel packaging cute सानो कुराहरु पनि मन पर्छ है. यसको प्राइस चाहिँ कति छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ just 99 rupees for this sample product, and I think it was for 2 points. So yeah. Another product is this is actually a lip scrub, and this is from the brand Sheer Secrets. Sheer Secrets and Sage Apothecary, I think they are like kind of similar brand. I don't know, maybe with it looks like this. So lip scrub, the price त्यस्तै हुन्छ है. यस्तो अलिकति सुगरी खालके, because यसमा चाहिँ सुगरै हुन्छ, and it's really good. You can exfoliate your lips say once in a week or twice in a week. And I really loved the smell because it's like the kham khalke smells, okay? Fruit ko, I think it has got dates. Yes, dates pani cha यसमा. dates ko smell aako jasto feel bhayeko malai chahi. It's really good. Actually, I have used it and it's really good. I think you should get, if you are a lipstick lover or if you are a matte lipstick lover, especially matte lipstick lover, please get one lip scrub because it's gonna help you like long term. You can use it once in a week or twice in a week or once in every 2 weeks. Product price चाहिँ कति छ भन्दा चाहिँ यसको खास प्राइस चाहिँ 261 rupees छ, but I got it for 2 points maybe. So the last but not the least products say nail polishes, you guys. I really love nail paints. मलाई चाहिँ nail artहरु गर्नु धेरै मन पर्छ and के हुन्छ नि के कुराहरुमा अरु कुराहरुमा पनि पुरा युज गर्छु nail polish. So I thought of getting these pretty colors. You can see I have got purple, pink, gray, and you alikati silver. I really love these colors अनि एकदमै राम्रो छ है. And then चाहिँ एउटा प्रोडक्टको प्राइस चाहिँ 95 rupees. So you can get this one nail polish for 1 point maybe or 2 point. I will be giving you the details right here. And this is from the brand called Bonjour Paris. Your brand is quite familiar छ अरु साइटहरुतिर पनि like Flipkart, Amazonहरुमा पनि पाइरहेको हुन्छ. Finally, let's talk about free gifts, you guys, because free gifts Smitten मा चाहिँ if तपाईहरु रेफर गर्नु भयो रे, like for example मेरोबाट रेफर गरेर चाहिँ मेरो रेफरल कोडबाट चाहिँ उनीहरुले like एप डाउनलोड गरेर चाहिँ if अर्डर गरे भने चाहिँ I get some points. So particularly 100 or 200 points पाउँछ अनि त्यो points बाट चाहिँ I can order products हरु क्या. त्यो चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई. products हरु मेरो चाहिँ 500 or 600 points भएको थियो. त्यसमा चाहिँ I ordered some products and it was absolutely free, you guys. I did not really pay for it, right? So I'm going to show you that products which I got for free. This is from the brand Sheer Secrets again, and it is a hydrating sheet mask and it has got hyaluronic acid, watermelon with niacinamide. I think this is going to be a really good face mask for me and I really loved it. Let's see kasto huncha bhanera. Another product I got it from also the brand Sage Apothecary and yo chai coconut lip balm ho and it smells so coconutty khalke smells छ क्या and I really love coconut smell भएको कुराहरु चाहिँ. So yeah, तपाईहरुले अर्डर पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. It is for 290 rupees and another one, this one is from 199 rupees, but you will get it under 2 points I think. So yeah, this two are my free gifts that I got from the referral points. Smitten app I think my favorite box, one of my favorite app where I can shop a lot of things. These are the product, you guys. I really loved it. And first ko video ma चाहिँ मेरो के confusion भएको रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ many of people thought that product is particularly one product को, like for example मैले चाहिँ one by one देखाएको थिएँ नि product हैन. Some of you thought कि यो चाहिँ just for 99 rupees, so मैले 99 rupees पे गरेर किनेको जस्तो feel भएछ है. But then that's not the case. My video was about all the things like that I showed in this video. यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ मैले सबै कुरा जुन चाहिँ देखाएको छु त्यो प्रोडक्ट्सहरु everything was just for 199 rupees. 199 rupees मा चाहिँ त्यो सबै प्रोडक्ट्सहरु हो. एन्ड यो प्रोडक्ट्सहरु पनि मैले आई थिंक दुई पल्ट or तीन पल्ट गरेर मगाएको 200 rupees मा नै. I don't really remember मैले चाहिँ के मगाएको थिएँ भने that's why मैले चाहिँ सबै प्रोडक्ट्सहरु जति पनि थियो मेरोमा. I just wanted to show you. Get this app and yeah, I will put the link in my description below, my referral link. You can go and check out the products and there are lots of makeup products पनि आएको छ नयाँ. So there are lots of makeup products. You can go for lipstick or that one lip liner. There are lots of products actually. So मैले चाहिँ try गरेको छु नि अहिलेसम्म. But then it is actually famous for skincare products like body wash, face wash, moisturizer, or like each and everything. You can just go and try every sort of products. That's it. This is it for today's video. I hope this video has helped you and this has been an informative one. If you find this video helpful, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and you can just go and comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you always get notified. Thank you so much for watching this again and yeah, I will see you in another video. Bye!
walking